Welcome to my channel Sara Art and Design. Subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon for the further videos notification. Hey guys, welcome to my channel Sara Art and Design. Today's my video's topic is how we can stitch tulip pant in a different way. I will show you the paper illustration first of tulip pants cutting. For that I have double fold the paper. You have to mark according to the normal pant. Firstly, we have to cut the normal pant. I am cutting only front panels over here. Because I have to make the design on the front panel. Once I have cut the front panel, so these are our two panels, you will mark it out on the wrong side of the fabric. Now from the top we will take knee length. It would be approximately 20 and 22. Now we will take a 1-inch margin inside and mark the bottom part over here. And from the bottom I am taking 1.5 or you can extend it till 3 inches and make a curve and join the both points. This side would be extended or decreases according to your choice. Now we have to cut on a line, but I'm not going to cut on a line. From 1-inch mark I will cut the little bit. I will leave the margin little bit over here for the stitching purpose. Now I'm taking the extra fabric for the design. For the design we have to mark a straight line and then make the shape of curvish line. We have to make the straight line over here and mark the bottom point for the folding purpose and a little bit extra for the length. Now make a line inside the which we have marked over here for the stitching purpose. For here I am taking 1-inch margin. So our cutting is completed on a fabric. For the cutting you can see videos link in the description box. So I'm using lining over here. If you are not using lining, then you can choose this bias tape for the finishing the edges. To show you how we can use the bias tape over here, I'm using bias tape. Start a stitch from the bottom till the knee length, and here stitching margin is only 1/4 inches, not more than that. We have to stitch till the mark we have already done over here. And give the notches on the curvish area. Notches will help us to fold the fabric and to reduce the wrinkles. So firstly fold the fabric and press it out. Now I am joining the piping. For the piping we are placing the piping first and then place the fabric and make a stitch. You can use any lace or triangle strip, anything whatever you want. Now stitch the piping very carefully till the end. Now my piping is completed and I am cutting the extra fabric. For the extra fabric, do what I told you in a paper illustration. Make a straight line, then curvish area. When you mark the curvish area, after marking it, we have to take the 1-inch margin and mark a line. 1-inch margin for the stitching purpose also over here, and it would be give a little better finish. Now here is our bottom's length, and we are taking the extra margin for the folding. Now cut it out. Be very careful when you are cutting the both legs. You have to choose the wrong side of the fabric and mark it out. Here I am doing on the right side of the fabric because we are making a design on it. Now I am using a lining for the lower part and make a finish on a lower part, and then to place the design on it, you can do a rough stitch over here or pin it out. I'm using pinning because pinning give a best finish. Secure the fabric with the pins. Now pin it out. My pinning is completed. Now stitch on it. Give a little careful when you giving stitch. Now it's wrong side of fabric. Give a stitch over here or you can hem it out. So I have already make my pant and finish the all parts like stitch, like elastic, zip and the front strip. Now we have to make a stitch over here. Be careful when you are stitching from here. You can stitch only on the fabric left. Over here we have to show the piping, not make a stitch on a piping. Firstly we will do the stitch from the sides and then fold the fabric from the bottom and give a crotch stitch over here. When you are stitching over here, then make a stitch little bit taking the piping's edge and then make a straight stitch, only leaving the 1/2 inch of the margin, not more than that. Now it's completed. I'm making the finished fitting stitch over here. So my pant is completed and it would be look like this. You can decorate with the portly buttons, you can decorate with motis or buttons, whatever you want. So when you are placing button over here, it would be look like this. Button will give a better finishing to it. So guys, it's my complete finished bottom, and it's a very creative and elegant look when you wear it. It's look very beautiful. So guys, if you like my videos, then give a thumbs up and subscribe my channel for more upcoming videos. Thank you so much for watching my videos. See you guys in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Thank you so much.